Okay, sink in 3, 2, 1.
Just watch the pitot tube.
Where's the wind coming from?
I think it's pretty much right where you're standing. I think
Like
it's
that? Yeah.
All right, Alex, are you ready?
I am ready. Start giving it some throw.
Awesome. Okay, here we go. Just throw it whenever you're comfortable.
Yep.
Thank you, sir.
No problemo. Okay. Sorry for the dust, gentlemen. Okay, Folker, I'm ready.
It locked ailerons and then it locked my rudder out.
3,
2, 1.
Thank you.
Got the same puff off of it again.
All right, Alex.
Where are you?
I am coming in. I'm coming along the lakeshore from the east.
Where's that? Down, like where we came from, where we drove in from?
Yes, I'm passing over top of us right now,
Okay,
facing the way our bodies are facing. So I'm right overhead right now.
Yeah.
I'm about 150 feet. Do you want to lead or do you want to follow?
I can follow for
Okay.
starters. I'm gonna see
Okay.
if I can find you first.
Okay, I think here, I'm just going to do a tight orbit. I think you're catching up to me.
Oh yeah.
I'm about 150 feet.
Yeah, I see you. Which direction are you going?
So I'm just going northwest if you have a compass. And I'm doing about 30 miles an hour.
I just passed you, I think.
Okay, yep, I see you.
Okay, so I'm gonna go down low, Ian.
Okay. You want here, I'll follow you for a little bit.
Yeah, and I'm gonna turn left up ahead. I'll let you know when.
Okay.
So do you see me?
Yep, oh, right behind you. I'm right behind you. Very close behind you.
So I'm gonna go a little bit lower, and I'm gonna start a slow left turn.
Yep. This is nice. Although it is choppy, it's not nearly as choppy as when we were at the field the other day.
And I'm gonna creep a little lower.
Yep. I'm trying to gradually ease up on you. Get closer. Yeah, there we go. Wonder what that looks like in the 360.
Okay, so I'm gonna start doing a left turn now, Ian.
Okay. Right behind you.
And going straight for a little bit, and then I'm gonna turn left again.
Okay, at the road.
Yeah. Ooh, that's shitty.
Little gusty.
Yeah, I got a little shitty video here.
Gotcha.
Well, I'm good now.
And you're running 1.3.
You still on me?
Yep, right behind you.
That should be some good video.
Yeah, I hope so.
Do you wanna go in front of me, Ian?
Yeah, sure. So I'm gonna pass you on the. I'm passing you on the right.
Yeah, I see you.
Okay, so I'm gonna back off. I'm just gonna follow this little dirt path here for a little ways. I'm gonna back off on the speed, probably do about 35 or 40. Are you following me?
Yeah, I'm following you.
Okay.
Okay, you can speed up.
Okay. I'm not gonna go faster than 40 or so because I wanna conserve battery. Okay, so I'm gonna make a left.
Yep.
Whoa, ooh, I had a little lockout there, very brief. I'm okay. So I'm out at the lake bed now?
Yeah,
You're
I
still
have
on
you
me?
in my
Okay,
sights.
cool. So now I'm gonna go low along the lake bed. Hopefully I don't have any more control glitches.
Flying right through all that dust.
Just keep going straight, Ian. This
Okay.
is beautiful.
Nice.
Do you see me?
Uh,
Oh, never
I
mind.
don't.
I see you.
I'm gonna descend and I'm gonna fly really close to our base. So I'm turning right towards base, and I'm just gonna fly right in front of us here.
I'm overtaking you.
Nice. Very nice. Okay, I'm gonna accelerate and follow you.
So I'm going up this road.
Yep, I see you. I'm right behind you.
And I'm gonna do left. Left. Are you still on me?
Yep.
Left.
Yep, right. I'm right behind you.
Left. Going out towards the lake bed again.
Mm-hmm.
Well, I'm gonna follow this road here.
Gotcha. It's very cool to see your shadow. In fact, I'm trying to get it so our shadows are right next to each other, but I can't really see where my shadow is because it's out of frame. So I'm kind of guessing. But
Okay, so
that
I'm
might be
turning
that might be pretty
left.
Cool. Uh-huh.
Turning left. If you want, overtake me out here on the flats.
Okay.
And just let's go straight down the lake bed.
Okay. Here, I'm gonna go under you if I dare.
Yeah, I'm
Yeah.
pretty
Oh,
high up.
yeah. It's easy. Going right underneath. Woo.
Cool.
Okay. I want to make a 90-degree turn to the right and just go straight out over the lake.
Yep.
Okay, so I'm turning right. And I was hoping to catch some vehicles out there. So I'm kind of going southwest here, just out over the lake. And I'm going to make another right, kind of over top of this other campsite on the far side.
Yep.
Still behind me. I hear vehicles out there, but I don't see them.
Whoa, I almost flew straight into your prop.
Okay. Here, I'll give it a little more power. I'm going to make another right,
Yeah.
about 90 degrees probably. I'm trying to see wherever those two-strokes are. Oh, I think I see them. All right, I'm going to go low. Oh, there you are. You went right past me.
Oh, you want to go low?
I want to see where those guys are and then kind of go low over top of them, but I can't see where they are.
Are you still following me?
Now I'm following you, yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna go lower.
Okay.
I'm gonna follow this road here.
Okay.
Ian.
I think we do get bad video over here,
Yeah.
it seems.
You still on me?
Yep, still on you.
Yeah, this is really shitty. I need to turn
Yeah.
left.
Okay.
Left, 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 left.
Okay.
Going back towards the lake bed.
Mm-hmm.
Let's see if we can. You're still on me, right?
Yep, right behind you.
If you want to overtake me again, go ahead,
Okay.
and then we can fly. Oh, I see something. Do you see the motorcycle?
Yeah, I do. Wonder if this is intimidating for people out here to see a pair of these things. Oh, there we go. Fly right over top.
Are you still on me?
Yep, still on you. Oh man, that's close. Oh man, you were really close to that guy.
That looked so cool.
You were really close to that guy.
Okay, I'm turning right.
Okay.
Oh, I saw your shadow.
Oh, and we're coincidentally right next to each other. I'm following you.
I'm going low.
You might have some company. Oh, you're low. Sure are low. So am I. Woo, you're low.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Getting low.
Yeah.
Whoa.
Yeah,
Woo.
sorry. I have
No. That was my. I had a. Woo.
Oh,
I had a
lockout?
control. Yeah, I had a control lockout when I was like 10 feet above the ground. I'm fine. I'm okay.
Are you still on me?
Yeah,
or
I'm
lost
still.
me?
I backed off, but I'm still on you now. I'm still on you. Yeah, something's up with my Dragon Link.
Yeah,
It's
I
not,
have shitty video.
it's not-
There's something disturbing here today.
You think? My video is okay. My Dragon Link is meh.
Yeah, I gotta
Video's
land.
doing okay. All right. I'm gonna film you land.
And I'm turning.
You gonna turn right or
Yeah,
left?
left.
Left. Okay. And you're just coming in for a landing?
Yep.
Very nice.
Cool. And I have the video of you flying past me.
Awesome. Oh, you're running a GoPro?
Yep.
Oh man, I'll have to get that footage from you. Yeah, this is 1,000 feet. Still a little bit choppy. Man, this morning it was really smooth. Too bad. And we're gonna go up to 2,000. Vector is warning me low flight pack volts. I think that's not a problem. We're gonna go to 2,500. So that is 2,500. I'm backing down to 180 watts, and we're just cruising. So this is still manual control. We're heading west, doing about 40 indicated airspeed, 44 ground speed, distance of 1.2 miles, about even sink rate. We're at 2,400 feet right now. Milliamp hour, probably got another 1,000 to play with. So yeah, just cruising up here. I'm gonna turn north, and I'm gonna go north a little bit. Okay, so according to the compass, this is northeast, which should be kind of going directly away from the lake bed. My patch is probably going to start doing a little worse. We're down to 2277 altitude, and my patch is getting worse, so I'm going to spin a little bit. Oh, that cleared up. Still 2 miles distance. .5 miles. All right, I'm gonna 180 it and bring it in.
Down. Hey, take care. You sleeping?
I'm just snoozing. You heading out? Yeah. Okay, see ya, Volker.
Yeah.
Glad you made it.
How far out are you?
For me,
Yeah, right.
2.5 miles to the northeast. Or no, I'm sorry, to the north, kind of due north.
Well, I ain't got no compass on it. Probably down towards the big mountain.
Towards the big mountains, yeah. So I actually left the lake bed a little bit, and I'm over the brush, and I'm turning back. My battery's low.
Cool.
I've been up for 26 minutes.
All right, well, be safe.
You're heading out? Oh, you're heading out with Volker?
Yeah, right. We'll go.
All right, see you, Steve.
Yeah.
I'm actually gonna go have a little control walk out, which is always fun. I'm gonna go parallel to the lake bed, and while I descend, so I'm cutting all power. I'm just gonna glide. Milliamp hours are at 6,000, and voltage is at 22 flat, 22 even. So I'm just gonna cruise. Lights are off, so power consumption is a lot less than it is sometimes. Sink rate, so airspeed's doing about mid-30s, low 30s. Sink rate is fluctuating between 1,000 and 15 and 500. Ground speed's 35 on the return. Distance out is 1.7 miles. And I'm gonna land it right here.
Alright, well, I'm standing right next to you.
Cool, cool.
I'll stand behind you.
Oh, definitely breezier than it used to be.
It's picked up some. It's pretty much straight down the lake.
Okay.
Yeah, you're into it. You're looking good. Yeah, follow the delineators.
Good enough.